In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple audio in a single video in CapCut. By the end, you'll know how to place two different audio tracks under one video and neatly bundle everything together so it's easy to move, trim, and manage on your timeline. First, open CapCut. Give the editor a moment to load so the media panel, timeline, and preview window are all visible. If you already have a project open, that's fine. If you land on a blank canvas, you're in the right place to get started. The key is simply being in the editor where you can see the timeline at the bottom. Next, add your video. You can import it into your media bin and then drag it down to the main video track on the timeline, or drop it straight onto the timeline if your version allows it. Make sure it sits at the beginning of the timeline so timing is predictable. Scrub the playhead through a few seconds to confirm the video previews correctly and that the duration looks right. Keeping your primary video cleanly placed now will save you time when you align audio in the next step. Now, add two audios. Bring in both sound files from your computer or select them from your CapCut library. Drag the first audio track onto an audio track beneath your video, then place the second audio on a separate audio track below that. Position each clip where you want it to start, whether that's right at the beginning or at a specific moment. Press play to check timing. If one track is meant to be background music and the other is a voice clip or a sound effect, lower the background track slightly so the main audio is clear. Watch the audio meters to avoid peaking, and make small volume adjustments until everything feels balanced. Finally, select all the files and create a compound clip. Click to highlight your video and both audio tracks. You can drag a selection box over them or use your usual multi-select keys. Once all related clips are selected, right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. CapCut will wrap the selected pieces into a single, tidy clip on your timeline. This keeps your video and both audio layers locked together, so when you move, trim, or duplicate the compound clip, everything stays perfectly in sync. If you need to tweak something later, you can open the compound clip to adjust the individual elements without disrupting the overall structure. That's all you need to add multiple audio in a single video in CapCut and keep your timeline organized and efficient.